Knowledge is power, and we bring it to you. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and never miss an update.
Today what I want to talk about is something that I've actually wanted to share on this channel for over 2 years. I have not spoken about it in over 2 years, but this is the reason why the channel exploded when I first started. This one cryptocurrency. And this cryptocurrency, I truly believe, is the most decentralized crypto in the world. It is what governments and banks fear. They don't want you to know about. It's the only reason Dogecoin exists. And it made Bitcoin better because they took this, made a copy of Bitcoin and made it way better. Now, I want to do something. I want to state a couple of points of things that I want to see change in your life and in mine and all around the world. In a day where 23andMe just filed for bankruptcy, and now all of the people that use their DNA, right, or gave them their DNA is now up for bid, right? Court is going to supervise a purchaser of everyone's DNA. I don't use those services, just so you know. I believe it's a way that the government takes our DNA and can manipulate things to hurt us and control us. Type 1 if you agree with that. But in that day and age where your data is seriously at compromise, this is what I want to do. When I say these statements, if you agree with them, type yes every time you agree. I want you to own your own data. I don't want it to be out there for anyone to be able to buy. I want you. Type yes if you agree with that. You should own your own data. Number 2, do you agree? I want banking decentralized. I want you to be able to invest in anything you want, no matter what your net worth is. This whole, institutional investors or being an accredited investor. I want banking to be decentralized, to you to be able to have any option you want. All right, now this is what I'm going to tell you. And this is why I set up the Crypto Prepper course, because this cryptocurrency has no company behind it. It had very little pre-mining in the very beginning, only to pay for coders around the world, because it is an open source platform, to help build it. Because this doesn't even have just one mining algorithm. It has 5 different mining algorithms. It is the most decentralized cryptocurrency I've ever seen in my life. The name of this crypto is Digibyte. Now do me a favor, if any of you own Digibyte, type it down below, either the ticker DGB or Digibyte. Now before every single one of you run out and go buy it, I want you to understand something. Not only is this an amazing time to own it because the price is down, but because the whole market's in a dip right now. And there has never been, and this is why I set up the Crypto Prepper course, because unlike Litecoin, which is not as decentralized as Digibyte, its figurehead, the one that owned a bunch of it, dumped it on the open market in 2017 or 2018 at the all-time high and just walked away. You saw Dogecoin, something that you could just pretty much print into infinity. The owner of that just walked away and sold all of that. I have been watching people code on this platform for free, not getting paid a dime, ever since 2014, and I had to make something happen. So we put out that Crypto Prepper course. If you want the sale link, it's down below. 100% of the funds that get made from that course are going to help make this better. Last night, an amazing upgrade was just approved, Taproot. And to be honest with you, I'm friends with the founder of this blockchain. It's so fast. It's so cheap. It's so decentralized. There are groups like Trezor that just walked away from it. They didn't want to support it anymore. Most of the American exchanges delisted it. They don't want you knowing about it. There's only one right now, American Exchange. Links down below if you want to sign up an account for it. That lists it. It's listed all over the world. I've spoken with people in crypto. I remember going to the Litecoin conference in 2019 and talking with coders, and they were saying, Digibyte's the one. That is legit. And I think it's more about, it's not about going and buying a ton of it and getting rich off of it. It's owning a little bit, running a node. And honestly, thousands of you have started nodes in the last couple of weeks. And I want to tell you right now, in a world where Litecoin has around 490 nodes, I think Digibyte's node count is at, well, 2,500 new nodes started just last week. We are on course, I believe, in the next 4 weeks to have more nodes around the world than Bitcoin. Guys, type 100 if you think that would be incredible. To not only be able to say, not only Bitcoin has one mining algorithm, SHA-256. This has 5. 5. Can you imagine, now we can already say we're more decentralized, Digibyte, on the mining algorithms. Can you imagine saying we run more nodes worldwide than Bitcoin? Do you know what kind of wave that's going to run through the cryptocurrency landscape? This is the time to jump. And again, it's not about going and buying thousands of dollars worth of Digibyte. You could buy 50 bucks worth. Learn how to run a node and uphold an amazing decentralized system. You know, in just the last handful of months, the American public and actually the world spoke. They wanted to see a new leader running America because America runs the free world. People around the world were saying, I want to see Donald Trump in. Get rid of that Biden character. Heck no on Kamala. Because America's politics affect the world, right? And so America voted, and along with the world, voicing their support. And a red wave ran through the world. Well, now look at, you've got Wall Street buying up all the crypto it can, Bitcoin and all these things. In a world where there is centralization around us like crazy, why don't we run a blue wave? Digibyte, it's blue. I don't think we're talking about Democrats here. We're not talking about the left. We all of a sudden speak with the nodes. This is a movement that transcends, it goes way past money, okay? This is a battle between centralization versus decentralization. This is so decentralized, it's insane. There's nobody running it. And so many of you, guys, type me if you were one of the people that were following me in the beginning when I was talking about Digibyte. The reason why my channel exploded so fast, because the most amazing community in the world on X or Twitter is the Digibyte community. These are people that are freedom-loving human beings all around the world. This is not an ISO 2022 compliant crypto. This is the absolute opposite. Yeah, a lot of us own these centralized cryptos that are 2022 compliant because we want to make money and I want you to become wealthy and independent. But you also have to know where to put your money to gain true independence from centralization. That's being a well-rounded investor. This is, in my opinion, the most opportune time to start a Digibyte node. It's running a core wallet, which is a complete copy of the Digibyte core or the Bitcoin core wallet. It was made so much better and run so much more efficiently since 2014 when it was started. It's one of the longest UXTO blockchains on earth, and it has never had downtime, ever. Think about that. This is why American exchanges didn't want you to know about it. If you go to Uphold, just you know that's fake Digibyte. I have contacted them numerous times. They want me to pay them $250,000 to list it, to list real Digibyte. I said I actually won't. There's no way. I'm going to crypto.com. They're the last one in America. There's exchanges all over the world. And just so you know, right now, Russia is comprised of about 40% of the mining's coming out of Russia. It's a big deal. This is not something that you look at the price. This is not something you look at the price. This isn't like go out and buy it and sell it as it goes higher. This is an investment in the future of decentralization for human beings around the world. I can't be more, I'm not trying to be melodramatic. If you own Digibyte and you understand the difference between centralization and decentralization, say I agree. Let people know down below how many people that are here. I am so excited to bring you this project. Now, if you want to support the project, you can learn how to run a node, go for it. The whole course is put down below. myself and the creator of Digibyte, which has been doing this for free since 2014, and I had to step in and say, all right, I need to give you a hand and help you with this and raise some money to be able to make this better, because it's already an amazing blockchain. So we started the course. So the sale link for that's down below. It'll teach you everything. You will go away, walking away, having so much more knowledge about blockchain technology. It will go out into your other investments. You will judge and weigh all other blockchains based on this one right here. Okay? I'm not kidding. This is how I got my start in crypto. I started mining Digibyte. I ran a node. This set my mind spinning. And the students that have already taken it and are already starting a node. And for all of you students that don't have a node yet, get it going. Do you know how excited I will be to be able to announce that all of us together have now set up more nodes worldwide than Bitcoin? You want to see it. And another thing that you could do every day for the next week, just go onto CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko and just pull up the Digibyte page and look at it for a few seconds. And the reason why is because all of a sudden the CoinMarketCap's going to freak out and go, what's all this? And all of a sudden it's going to hit trending and trending and trending. And it's going to be at the top right on the front page. I want you to go to X. Follow me on X, because you're going to start being able to show, we're going to be able to start, we're going to make Digibyte so loud over the next 4 weeks on X. I can't say stupid, it's awesome. All right? So let's go freaking do this. Today is the day. We go from centralization to decentralization. I'm going to change your mindset when it comes to finance and blockchain technology forever once you learn about Digibyte. Okay? None of this is financial advice. I'm not telling you to go out and buy a ton of it. You could go and buy $1 worth of Digibyte and go put it on a wallet, a core wallet, download it and run a node. Let's go do this together. I'm the Economic Ninja, and I am grateful for every single one of you that have supported me through the years. And for the last 2 years, I've been wanting to bring this project, but it had to be at the right time. To all of the exchanges around the world, Taproot was just voted on. It's going through, so upgrade. 90% of all miners have upgraded in the last couple of days. So we're going to go and crush this thing. The Economic Ninja is out.